I wanna highlight also a function called length. We're gonna use this along the way. So if I wanna know the length of x, let's see what this will gives me. It gave me the length of x is 100, which we specify here from 0 to 2 pi 100 element. So n is the length, yes. So this value that I wanna 100 points between 0 and 2 pi is the length. So if I wanna length of x is 100, if I want a length of y is also 100. So this is very important along the way to know that you just, if you want to know the length, you can just length and then x-axis or y-axis. Sounds good so far? Okay, let's keep going. Right now I wanna mention or say the difference between, like, if you guys realized why the line width has double column and font size has one column, and what's the difference between them. So right now in a comment, so this column is character vector, while double column is a string vector. So is the different, we can say the different is in the data type, but it's very important to know that this character and this string along the way, because character can matches just with character, string can matches also with a string. And we're gonna go more in depth in the data types. I don't wanna like go or like say anything now about data types, but it's very important for me that you guys know that this is character and this is string. So if character has its own usages, string has its own usages.